It most certainly takes resources to do purposeful things. Our corporation and foundation partners make all the difference, not only in raising the profile of Central Michigan University around the state and around the nation, but also in providing much needed resources to do those purposeful things that we get to do each and every day as a university.
We're working with people that offer our students jobs, that give to the university, and that we have a solid relationship with them, and it helps CMU move forward in a great way.
So the Corporate and Foundation Partner Alumni Award allows us to recognize either an individual, a corporation, or maybe even a nonprofit that gives back to CMU.
This year's Corporation or Foundation Partner Award recipient is Covenant HealthCare. Covenant HealthCare offers a broad spectrum of programs and services ranging from high-risk obstetrics, neonatal and pediatric intensive care, to acute care, including a Level 2 adult and pediatric trauma center, cardiology, oncology, orthopedics, robotic surgery, and many other services. Covenant serves 20 counties across Northeast and Central Michigan and has more than 560 physicians, 20 inpatient and outpatient facilities, with 643 acute care licensed beds. The Covenant Trauma Emergency Care Center has 90,000 visits and is the largest healthcare employer in the Great Lakes Bay region, with more than 4,400 employees and 380 volunteers.
With the early inception and planning for the College of Medicine at CMU over 10 years ago, many of the leadership from Saginaw, including the hospital as well as community leaders, were instrumental in coming forward, making sure that Saginaw health community would be a great partner for the CME College of Medicine as it gets implemented.
Covenant HealthCare invested in the development of the medical school's Saginaw Education Building and made a generous contribution of $1 million to the program for a simulation center within the Saginaw Education Building. The Simulation Center serves as a training resource for allied health professionals from the region by training students, residents, the Covenant staff, and local community members. In addition, healthcare professionals use the space to keep skills and certifications up to date.
Covenant and its physician groups have had a long legacy of teaching students for over 40 years. That's Saginaw community, with Covenant as a major hospital in the region.
Covenant HealthCare partners with St. Mary's of Michigan and CMU College of Medicine to train over 95 residents each year. Covenant HealthCare and its physicians are the major teaching sites for CMU medical students' education. The future of CMU's partnership with Covenant HealthCare will bring long-term and sustainable academic affiliation for medical students and residents.
From its inception, the CMU College of Medicine's mission is to produce physicians from Michigan. I try to say we are physicians from Michigan for Michigan. We try to focus on the Great Lakes Bay region as a student pipeline. It's our hope if they train in hospitals in the region, with physicians in the region, have a great learning experience, they'll be committed to establish practices in the future. We cannot do our job unless we have partners like Covenant to help us train our students. And that experience in between with hospitals, physicians in the region is going to be key to bringing them back to Michigan.
It's a great opportunity for them. This is the talent of the future that they're going to be looking to hire, but it's a great opportunity for us and for our students. And we couldn't do what we do without them.